Multi TV. So if you happen to be celebrating your birthday today, happy birthday, Shunko Enko Emma. And I mean, wish me and Kasa, me are paying Badwam Construction. A speedy recovery. It was Badwam on who can more friendly. Surprisingly, also I'm from maybe a bobo basa, you know. So when you're cold, nice severe one pa na oba bobo we be from nice a feverish condition be nipa bia ho amapom de wonsem ehia kase pa Badwam happy birthday Shunko koma ohokani mama pokuya Mrs. Badwam sana mfro happy birthday Shunko enko emfama kra munyina mo sunyane a sabe de mo dwodwo mo nti mema wifi afishia pa ana kukum hene oje brehwe yedwumadie on Adom TV Badwam kukum hene anope mu nchia na mam ye capital go so my hene also ye twa salute ye hwe anim se ye hema ba akopa chesu ahema ni number 1 ni number 2 Kenya se mo so nyina mo ye ya chi obia mpemfo atrase former deputy managing director NIB watenase okasama the New Patriotic Party sanso na yera Joseph Adeko Council former Greater Accra Regional Chairman NDC so tenase ya enesa di motion national bibia enkoso era mamema wachina memo akwaba megidi se bibia ye kama bibia kama MPP mboko
nyaminado
mo manage system ni yi
what's nyimpa das nyimpo say eti wiasi ma sometimes you ever be too much wa na end down you hu dey eba beto but mosi ebe hwe wo hu na mosi ebe gina wo na andon na obetu mo ama sorry etumpon bio enti say challenges about system no ma as a government and as a party we are working assiduously now you make sure there there's a nyama to 2 years.
So it's possible say we'll come back to the normal.
Yeah. Obia Otigana have science and that everything is going back into normalcy. And once that we stabilize the system, now you can start a new takeoff. The new takeoff says you must hear in such a way that when we have external shocks, them are on to them we see this time. We see this we know that it was a world economic meltdown. So nyama P no CC. But when these things happen now, once you are stabilized very well and you're on a firm ground, then nyama bia ote them.
I see.
Until we believe that under the leadership of Nana Addo Akuffo, and the world over they come around to see and even study and congratulate him for some of the things that why. And what's like Jesus Christ, no, you are never cherished till if you do, the President Akuffo na ekede na NDC for friend atayi na azina and the one NDC for na praise President Akuffo for his good leadership and ejuma oyezema Ghana yetumpun. I remember how economy grew more than triple the size Obetoi. And the same thing happened when Nana Addo took over. You realize how the economy was growing fast, on a faster rate. Ghana was even ranked the fastest growing economy in the world, I think in 2019, 2020, thereabouts. Covenant, but say Nyamapi. So we are not perturbed and through. There was just there. Once we can bring the economy back to normalcy, we'll definitely spring up again.
Chairman Akwaba.
Chairman Emeritus.
Oh, Nyamiadum, Bibe, come on. You are growing old, but you look younger.
Is the
I don't know, Ubia, health, I'm a priority amount, sir. Why? Ubia, as I am going, I'm particular about what I eat and drink and the kind of engagements. Why? Why is it
so? It's stomach, our levels.
Yeah.
Fraba is papa because other bones when you or mature in the wine at the one go bottle bar initially.
Yeah.
See, as you grow, ubody or mature. It's maybe war, no resistant factors.
Yeah.
To me, and third upon the you are now easy for full. But remember, he school days, you know. You told me, you tell me, stages.
Yeah. So as you grow,
you have to
be mindful of those things. The party mboko. I just got this information that most settle on Erikopoku as their potential running mate. That's the information I got. I just got.
Rumors.
That's how. But more stabilizing, Mama and answer still more considered a change. More campaign a chance, I don't know. And the president should be getting a helping hand. Or not going to be in comment. Once the MPPN decide, you know, you should take advantage.
Oh yeah.
But what's the challenge with Movais now? Just call out. Because you're on conform more person who say and then they can continue their bid. Because now I understand that the former president, now the flag bearer of your party, Wama Mameno and wrap up in the office. Or Sama Mamene twice. Even when the woman approached up and say or wrap up or say they be continue with your business. You know, so in a way, the camp of the woman also should say clearly, I'm partnering the former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, for the 2024, the victory that you are looking out for. And others also feel that the woman has only constituencies our party, and even outside the party, Ghana, the bigger picture. So the likes of Erikopoku, the likes of Ewuwa Dako, the likes of Samuel Sapon, the likes of Alhaji Sinari, the likes of former deputy Chief of Staff Valerie Munyina, they are popping up. So you have a pool of very respectable politicians. What's the difficulty?
You've nailed it.
Yeah.
Uncle you have got a group of, and that is very interesting. The names you have mentioned, you forgot about me.
Chairman Adekoka, I see. But the reason is that you know, when I hear anything I have, because I'm hearing that Erikopoku is in the lead.
No, there are a lot of dynamics into the equation. No, since I mean, my politics.
But you have a favorite among the list, if I left you alone, maintain or change? The slot.
And they pay about platform. No,
Chairman, it's for the good of the party.
No, the chairman, our Dodge question.
It's for the good of the party. Now I'm saying that molest not the Erikopoku denim pa. Because Erikopoku crying your preference. But I'm saying, sir, so we should maintain or otherwise. But as a former chairman, and neck deep in the NDC. Very neck deep in the NDC. You can't run away from this.
I can't run away
from this. Chairman Emeritus.
Baby, I'll be find you behind the party won't come up.
I agree.
So what I say?
I agree perfectly.
Who should say, baby, why are man your do NDC? See, the mamene to also partner our former president and your flag bearer. Ebe papa, and I'm changing the
boy. Be a politician. When I was in the mammy, when you are a man, you all don't take that decision or your president Mahama. I don't know, take decision you are. Then everybody will come out and interrogate it. That's how it should be.
You move chairman.
No, or that no, I know, or can we are then. And you may share be some questions, sir. I can give you answer. But
once the former president did not wrap up the woman's office, it's likely so.
You're a good politician.
No, you want to cross 2024 by 2025, 7 January. Now,
there's a history in NDC.
Yeah.
As regarding vice presidential candidates.
Okay. So we should be guided by that.
No. You have that's there are a lot of things that goes into it. Until you have to leave that for President Mahama to look at the history.
What's the history?
Oh, man, can you see that?
They were Thompson. I can't say
for president.
Yeah, flag rash.
It's possible.
Oh, Baumia.
It's possible.
That's Baumia.
It's possible.
What is possible?
You said that.
Breaking the 2024, it is possible with Dr. Baumia and nobody else.
I see. it's possible.
I don't know whether I'm more checking dynamics. Which is the former president of the land. What display a certain level of progress during the tenure.
As what? As former vice president and a former president.
Exactly.
And when you take his reign as a former vice president, now if Fabomia reign as a vice president, says, look at the difference. Performance-wise. Or your vice president, Chemaze Kra, Ebetumaze named the President Mahama time or your vice president to me, but Ebetuma Kande, ye Jina no dodo. Ebetuma Kande say, ye man the presidency in Biom Obetumaye, not as a former president, as a former vice president, as against the current vice president. Shenyama Waye. When you call Dr. Baumia, his name under the Fourth Republic as a vice president, Obiarun to Menkada Ombonizinda, a vice president who performs. Okoni master Nima, or catching there, ma me pedem ye namzi pia ejumano ko enyim na no penyin is action. Yes, he works without even thinking about himself. He's working for the nation. That is the vice president.
Dr. Baumia.
Yes, I'm telling you. Nejuma on things agro. Nejuma on things agro.
Chairman, breaking news. Dr. Baumia,
so take his work as a vice president. Yambo Bonyama Waye. As a vice president.
As a vice president.
Yes. Yambo, right from paperless, right from digitalization, right from NHIA, interoperability. But wasn't he the one who championed it? No, they gave it to him and he championed it. So yes, I'm coming. Why champion them as in President Mahama on champ there as vice president, up as no champion.
Stability in our currency.
Mr. President Mahama, remember President Mahama, remember, Mami, yeah, but minus is yet pluses.
No, I'm saying that President Mahama as vice president, reasonable stability in terms of us.
With stability, on pushy. With stability, no pushy. With stability.
With
stability.
Don't worry. Don't worry at all.
Don't worry. No munzu. What is our question to my answer? What is the question to my answer? One business question to my answer. Or say, well, history. I would check who history no put there to my answer. And these are practicality.
You think that Dr. Baumia a bit me Etriafa, the former president who is the flag bearer of the NDC, on any day?
Even as vice president, says Yayereka as vice president, 2020 elections, Koshwe movie seats in the upper side of the country from about 102 to says Yayereka 16. Obinabi de chiu, but oye juma today or yama nankasano. Na fanciful will be na menu and there was a obinizi ya. Na waso was here then, oye. Obinizi ya. Na waso was ye. Na oye obineze oye nanado nezempo a no ono no oye mampanyina oze na enyima ato hode mreba mabe ye adwuma magana mpuntu aba na abe de chi otel na chi onye ni ye adwuma oje na nanado nde yerbobo nyama yenjeka yerbobo nyama yenjeka na otel na chi no oye adwuma dem na sesi a was onankasara erba. So you think he can't even move? You think he can't even move the seat? He will lead and lead well. And he will show that ne juma oye ose no fata o magana man mampuntu aba. He understands what is going on now, the critical situations in the country and the world.
Okay.
Says the world conditions are recorded or tase. And we've grown. Says yam balance sheet on today most of the time Mahama refim no to know why you kesenara. Into why you can see Erban, man, better now on our gender for 4 years. No, now so no catching and there. And to me, 4 years in your money.
Okay.
Into no 4 years or a ban, a bazan or babe.
Okay, Chairman.
And I pay. I'm the in my friend Tampia. Tampi. In Tampi. Nankaso, my friend Tampi. In your phone. And a part of Sora, the Tampi Gubo. No, I'm clear.
Not clear. Yeah.
Adom na ne.
Na meji, na meji, I'm the anepe. On mu bi kra nti won clear.
Nyoma ohun
money. Alan Chairman tin. What's in there? Economic management team no papa no. Oye fi. what chairman no ani be omia friend Canada Japan Kennedy last okasa I was a customer want na party me say my advice I want hey nankasa no krofo a onyo ne eduma nankasa testimony a wodre man no too bad we are saying it testimony on video live ibi sina papai what's in there abade baumia why economy baumia time obofa economy dollar was 3.6 last 2 months before Christmas okodu 15 in the Hajj when I work on Hajj nankasa or Muslim knew Hajj was 75 million cedis but I call Hajj that time you be there 12,000 about $1,500 and there Hajj nankasa ne Hajj Muslim muntu monko Hajj muntu monko Saudi Arabia won 6,000 slots can afford to 1,000 people. They can afford it. Under him, under Baumia's watch.
Hey, Chairman, then check his fact.
Go and check. I'm telling you.
We have 6,000 slots.
Yes, Saudi Arabia gave us 6,000.
And Nipa 1,000.
1,000 for our credit.
Hey,
go and check it. But you see, they don't do research. Muslims, they are complaining. Want to 75 million cities for Hajj trip.
7,500.
Inyo, 1,2 75 million. Many Mama can say Mincho. Time President Mahama, or your head of the economic management team. Inflation was in single digit. For almost 1 year beyond. President Mahama, time or year vice president of Ghana. Sika ye borrow nina or about 56 billion. So 122 billion total. Under this man's watch, we have been declared bankrupt under this man's watch. Declared bankrupt, junk economy. Junk economy. I mean, I come now say president only rating agents on no record.
But say rating
World Bank
World Bank has
yes. Question their integrity.
No, let us not. You see, yeah, let's help ourselves this morning. They said the NDC4 appreciate the work of the Electoral Commission and the Ghana Police Service.
Thank you.
It doesn't stop it doesn't stop the NDC from criticizing the Electoral Commission when it goes wrong on the Ghana Police Service.
Listen to me, time credit agency. B plus B. No. As it here, the economy will Pascal. I mean, sometimes go back to history. That my here, today you want to say that the credit is bad.
But they can challenge the status quo. It's subject to criticism.
Thank you.
What is the subject? I'm just telling you. You are talking about Baumia.
Oh, okay.
First, I'm talking about Baumia. I'm a status quo. And neda ebi amonum palm wine na ne pay be man.
They say me pay too.
But you have to apologize for what you said, no. And so I come and claim credit for what said that now ethnic credit agencies, you know, they are yes. Because at that time, no, you said that years you know bad. That has been here. Yeah, what's in there? It's a frog, no. If you soon look at the crocodile name. Or there,
it's all GD. You don't know any show.
Canada, Japan. Over there.
Cabinet Japan.
Canada, Japan. Alan Shamandi. Almost a crocodile anywhere. Only about me and only mushi. One case would want some. What's only mushi?
But you are an astute politician. Crocodile, a frog politician. Who the Bermudia? the references that will get to your good self and your not your good self, your party, it will not be healthy. So once a man for free show maybe culture said the cost will
I don't care about that. I don't mind about that.
Now you are dealing with the Baumia person.
You can say that. I don't mind about that. Whether you somebody come from NDC crocodile
to talk about
that is another issue.
Yeah.
We are talking about the crocodile.
The person Baumia.
The frog and the crocodile now.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
And his record is abysmal. Toilet in Otumisi. He promised that obesity toilet in every house. Otumia, toilet. Go and play the tape. Get your friend. Dominic. On what tape, I will build toilets everywhere. 2-seater, 4-seater toilet. If you come on toilet, Baunia couldn't finish it. Common toilet. He's there. They should play the tape. Then you come and tell them how many toilets did he build. I'm a catcher as vice.
So that's enough reason say on to me.
If you come on toilet, TOILET.
Adisco first year. Adisco first year.
You couldn't even complete the toilet project.
Adisco first year.
Toilet. And this man says he wants to be what, president?
Obi I want to me and
toilet. Now tell the Ghana for. You
the place of inconvenience a challenge for you.
Toilet, people couldn't do it. Toilet, TOILET.
And the pain make us a place of inconvenience.
In your opinion, emeritus Adekoka. Oh yeah, or can you maybe the man or Mr. I'm there. Onakasa went tape ni. O man say esi woodan. Esi woodan. Emi metu my basic toilet woman. Thank you very much. Uncle T, Dr. Baumiani.
Dominic, what tape no?
Oh,
Sabotage.
Don't worry.
One can't there on
with graphs.
We will make sure there. Every household has it.
They identified households with that challenge.
And they passed a law that when you have
cannot put up a building without those things.
Thank you very much. And that is the difference between NDC and MPP. So today being, okay, bibi or quote time one work or hajen. Okay, $1,200.
Yeah, or say $1,500.
$1,500. Now or quote here is not saying 75,000 cedis. Okay, my refer. Okay, bibi de one word fee abandonment. Now one sika seven, one bossa wabo, yeah 120 something, 122 billion.
Yeah, sorry.
Bobosa wo international marketer. Say dollars na waje. Yeri Fidon, President Akuffo Fidon in 2018. Na yen busa ya abo, ye $9 billion. $9 billion. NDC will be taking over for the 8 years I will be. Wori Fidon, na yen busan ye $30 billion. Difference ni ye 21 billion. Say how many kasan MPP together with all the Bosa Ayabo so far, yen Bosa Ayabo, ye $43 billion. $43 billion. If $30 billion ma, okay. Difference ni ayin. 30 billion minus 43 billion. Yeah, $13 billion. Into $13 billion as against $21 billion. One of our bobosa se wana. One na our bobosa osen wana. And you sit here and come and tell me that you have done so well. You should be praised. Come on. And this is one day demo. Now yes, you're back. Yes, you're back. This is a vice president who his own president did the white paper on him. His own president did the white paper on him.
Maybe Mam of Antri once. I'm so fun once. You know,
I don't want to bring all those things. We'll go on performance basis. We will go on performance basis.
You borrowed $21 billion. What's about $21 billion? We never went to a junk status. The economy did not go to a junk status. Our so-called 13 billion. You had a junk status. In Accra, I was about 30 million. use figures, twist figures. Ghana fu. But in that I borrow 620 billion. Sikawa. There's nothing to show for it. If in your agenda 118.
We are politicians. Don't feed the minds of our viewers and listeners that there's nothing to show.
Thank you very much.
They should tell us what to show. I'll mention what to
Onankasa. Oko asin not Nancy. Oko asin not Nancy.
From
Fosu, not appreciate it.
From Fosu,
They've never appreciated anything. One appreciate it,
I just came from Asin yesterday. Yesterday I was in Asin.
Yeah.
One Thanksgiving rally.
The road that
from Fosu,
from Fosu, you know where we were
the
doing
park.
The project. Having that road.
Yeah.
The machines have disappeared.
Oh, really?
Oh, my friend.
I am
just.
I was in Central Region.
You were in Central Region.
Yeah, you drive around.
You were in Central. I was. I think.
Okay.
I think. That's road.
Park in this Aquan.
There's no. I drove on to make sure to see that the machines were there.
Okay, so yeah, Paba. We can easily check it. We can easily check it. Oh, of course. And the power of you. I have free there, but we go say, hey, Embra.
What's it? What's the Wufia? Shawupe person. Adego Kasi Shawupe person.
So we are back. We are trying to come so hand say. Now, minimum more volatile region. So to be precise, is you know that the year, the ready and come on but not before moving to action. I feel more among some well to do or voter region who no me say most come to the aid of these personalities. If you are do na fi yentimi harry home. Thomas Mamesha say with you. What is of interest to me? First two topics. I don't know how we merge it because the former president is advising the NPP that Sikabi Briba Masen by elections as say Kumauti. You know, it could have been used to pay buffer stock. Whilst our president, Adom Akuffo, is also saying that only perturbed with all the noise around and the criticisms and is very focused. So let's join the two and have a conversation around it.
Since I hear Shas and Cassandra, the Mechia, Minuanum, Madofonum, my papa num Nazina, Wawa Central Region, especially Cape Coast. Now I'm in Chakas and so ama, my papa Nanado Danquefado, and a year Auntie Rebecca, a beautiful Rebecca, the first lady. Na Mechia, Dr. Mahmoud Baumiana, Jumakesa, Orie, Washanti Region says here, Eshe BBR, Eco social media pa, Juma Orizi, all across the Ashanti. And it's very lovely. And there, you ubia Akuffo done naturally. Onye aza ubiri force obi there, obi support na bibina. Ubia konenchena, and there will share the natural love. Because you ubia ultimately unite everybody and bring them on board. And that is what he's going to do for 2024. Nanado waka, yem penyin ose. Nenyimze orshe. On dan no hunhwe ohona wopede wo hyeda wo kaka nsem wo twetwe no kofoma obama omanen nyama pi esinsan wo yerishase na kede meka je obi meka bibi chiro de obiara wo wiase mabia yerba sanwa se ekeda mpem na abobo wo ho na ezentuma na akata ho emfedru enyehwe na yerba na akwa ebehwe na yerba na achiweku but se ejina wo na do na eside bi yerba ezimem onyam na emi no ede me make sure dem mama yerba no ko efa wedru eye bibiara ode ye ma yerba no kwa definitely yerba no bako omani ye nyina ayenyim the world over there was an economic crunch bibiara befe biara na bibiara nkoye there was no economic minister na obiara penasa wono krom everywhere na wopede wo yi honizi eko ehwe UK impo prime ministers within a matter of about 6 months was some more than 4 prime ministers ewo ho a na oye eyi kakra na oye ayem hihye kakra de what is happening in UK our own place but at the end of it all no, it was about being focused and transforming this country yeba no so be covid yeba no be na Addo ken o say ewuza yentumenhwe na yemfa wo nkwa namba onye Yesu Kristo but say economy ni mpo so oba ne denara odan no ho a onyimde obetumi gina ne nando wadan economy ni o we gina ne nando yi biu. And it's only a feeble mind na obekande o azana say inti mama mensado mentumi ye hwe biu. Ehwe mosi nyamare kose esi a na ehu de nyamare bounce back gradually. We are coming back to a level playing field. Immediately after COVID and ye in Russia Ukraine war na za okodo pi. Oma seriously speaking, Ghana ye destabilized kakra. Ye po say ye nuanom beka no kwena was politics betu nchana na ka obeka cha there. Ora mahama potu kwa na zina na orka wo there. COVID wa ho oman pi. And one man pi so nyama nko yi to them was your de okon. But gradually all share ya roba work and then na yentumi so economy no mo ye yentumi ye hwe na economy ne wa paska ye ben onareka onyim mosi na inflation wo na ora ba omi na eyi na bede ne nkrofa onye won tina se wotina sa ye was about single digit nyama si na okọ through bio na wa ma nyama paska kakra but ehun de gradually oreba form na National Bank of Ghana report obe ehun de yen prime rate or Akuffo severe 84 years so we the inflation so or reform into there gradually and you see that things are coming down to a stabilized position and nanadwa can the answer na obe wie ne temen onhwe na onfa omanam obia anazi nipa obe take over from him and in a bad state obe make sure does nyaman betutu ye and that is his focus. Nyama said they say you can see the strength of a man ana nipa na honzen se nyama ase ana challenges aba na the way a ozina adwen bebefom na wa hwe na wa ye nyama ye manyama adede ye eho na ehu de eyi oye benyina mpa ana eyi ze wonyine nkokon mo ye and we are doing that to let it happen. Erehwen yeri ye dem na yen ana yen papa oye man penyina nsia or oko asenen oye tde ma wokọ wan ka chehwe wo ho ma muhu motorbikes muhu nyama oye me say opposition party pa na wotumi sua track loads of nyama wo chiche ne demi no che de worokon was call pa onsen za wokọ was worokon da minia penyina de koka was call fie no him don say because most were loaded tracks na za obechiche nyama won odu baby no ya yem hihye kakra de government in pa yen tumi nche nyama dem na opposition po na wo che nyama dem because e ka chaze mpo a obi ba won che mpo na airman bibi kakra ba was vote buying airman bibi kakra was vote buying na yen bisa yen hu de tema oram ham wo ye mampenyinen na nkrofo ye woda as hospital bia but one can de because nkrofo pi ye woda hospital today mosi my friend then malaria na cholera na zeben obeji education ni sika no za keshe hospital ni skem na we make sure that we asa yerba na zinyina wan kan dem nti oido hunde dem asamoro kan de onka fa abris kan on fan betua my friend then one am buffer stock muka buffer stock has a budget and once the budget has been approved obetua wonka that is a different thing from doing ground politics. Why your man penyinda oya measure ne kase kakra because ona no be ka che yende se enye man penyinda onyi de kanye mebi what na egwom da onyi mosi nyamate you expecting the orkasa you should speak like a statesman you shouldn't speak just like an ordinary politician de mi na menua penyin was yenye man penyinda nti nyama bi wo ha ye betuma aka ye be fa ye ho akọ but obi a what na egwom da why ye we hu most wo boman why any mistakes or say as okofie no okosua menyim de ekofie tumi sua wo mistakes wo ho but also wa akofie akosua mistakes ona so aka che ende 4 years o mampeni biara ntuma mba no fa mbe sesa nyama fa mba danda nyama enti mo hu most you opede 4 years or opede 4 years pen horrible on to renew a mandate enti 4 years horrible so obe ye bia so opedo ye bia obetuma aye na wa akọ onfa no ho 4 years menyim azoro ba beye because ehun dey nsem or kenyina na go do my any roadmap in the 4 years year by year most year be measured instead of sitting and saying things like this as a former president. It's a mesren on saboteur na yenhu na yenfa dem bu man because me panasempa is a lovely person. If you know him, time I'm more ADB, me care do ba ho as MP. Na years in common as him no na that time a boss. And he was a lovely person to talk to. But obey my opinion, sometimes on my politics ne fanu too much. And there sometimes because you want to please your followers na nyama bia on se non fata there awo man penin ebe kan nereka. Mo nye dem. Ombrofo. On ma unye there. Ghana ye won penyifo a we zikanda. Into work can be na you follow one years I nyamapa. Okay,
Chairman. President Okaseye papa, he spoke like a statesman. He spoke like a statesman. Someone at show. But the bullion van, police is ozi wenyu. What the bar asking?
Them.
Bullion van.
There be Chairman.
Oh, he was there. Were you everywhere?
He was there.
Chairman,
no, I told the politician.
Chairman. Oh, now say football administrator. Those intricacies, you know. Now, why are the bullion van?
Mobian who's our
You see,
Mobian when this.
You see your definition of bullion van.
Some people say, "What bullion van?" No, or no,
what's the police saying? What's the police saying? What's the bullion van? Police saying?
What definition of bullion van? I'm missing there. What the bullion
cash
van?
loads of money.
Police saying? That's the police saying. Sati.
Oh yeah, no.
The Bank of Ghana bullion van box there.
Box the box. Cano. Now I park what box one cano. What the man? No, you money be no rich.
But has that been the practice of all?
No, remember. Mabanti, you have asked a question. No mama answer. No mature. You can say no mature genesis of what I'm answering. Oh, muka decide lo.
Oh, Chairman.
Muka decide lo. I'm a Santa Claus. We look at the roots of the case.
All right, Santa Claus.
Yes. I see. That is what
I
know. Me not na choba. No, it's fufu. This is not chase cano. It's gonna fufu.
Oh, fufu. Propaganda and manawasha. So one show.
It's Munia. Now you have a situation where buffer stop. Yeah, ma'am. No. Why you Juma was on 270 million. Why supply aban 270 million? Unto monde wofi pensioners. Echna. What demonstration? What demonstration? Oh, Mamaka, Mbaka first talk as what demonstration? Then by elections war as in here we are. The government now finds money. Okay, artificial rules. Insuruto, wogu quota. Insuruto no wogu quota. Insuruto rainy season wogu quota. Secondly, you see that Charles Opoku were asinfosu. See there 200 cities of friend Charles Opoku. What corner watch 200? No afro. No watch 200. No one more spray. A cocoa as I was spray cocoa. Our friend was in your different knapsack. Or a check. I mean, who be the mode HBBA? Opposition. You buy motor back. Ntemanka what is
so now na solo see camera.
That's how when you know me. When you know who is our as this tracks.
As a president Mahama, that must can all of a sudden what conjure of his space, or the bus, If they had used some of this money, or check the priority, he was talking about the
government. Chairman, let me just let's also do this. Former NIB deputy, Erezi, she was say, Obese, or President Mahama is not just an ordinary person in the country. So Mizadi,
another person. And if,
and if he goes by what he has said before that, what he chain now, Kasa, only a man paying that, it will him the work. If we go by that, and then an improvement on the system, not always doing things that when you come, because President Debi Amoka say any abaya twase bia to home.
That's right.
Say, enye mo na mo amode adwene pa be ba be sesana, you continue same. If you go into history, aban bia nya sika during by election. Other things wo by election, aban bia nya sika didi djuma.
Well, yeah.
So what has here?
So what you be?
Men kokro mo dey say they do the talents here a few words. We saw all these things, you know. Yeah. So I want us to lift it up from there.
From that place.
And then tell the government of the day that if you have this money, if you have this money there, and it's not because about the creating by election. Let us also try and prioritize and create for those who are also there. But you say by election 1 AM from so 2 Sikaya kochiche wonom no, it is the sole prerogative of a particular government and a person or group of people and a koche says kanimisi Uganda dadia. When we start having that conversation, we will not get solution to some of these problems.
But he was telling exactly what you are saying. They are buying other operators in Yama. Because buffer stock on yende na oshas.
But so we say the budget now, whip the finance minister in line.
Thank you.
Whip him into line.
No.
Monies that are meant for these elections. Chairman, Ola Sibiaka. Ufashi obutum ekwase nofo where one personal money olas aka o dey support o party made.
But this government wanted the seat because of his parochial interest. That is why oyinenyo fee where the eyes must be no cry because
but did you want Kumawu seat? Kumawu seat na mo pe.
Kumawu seat, let me tell you, I'm being honest with you. Kumawu seat, our was that we wanted to see that elections are proper because most of their strong we are these people they stop the party.
But the easy politics
so you went there knowing that
Kumawu was there, so we didn't go there to go and we to appreciate our vote. How can you turn over if you look at the history of
Chama even Umewuze obey share the 2024 elections.
I'm talking what are you talking about?
But Chairman,
we know our strategy.
You know what you
Chairman, show team though. So we bet we are Chairman the election time.
Let me tell you. In Asing, we caught a electoral commissioner guy, electoral
officers.
All three.
Oh, they know the chairman.
So don't say that if you're not vigilant.
Nobody can outwit you or outplay you.
No,
election time.
I'm saying, but when you go to their strong goal, we go to Bantama. You remember the last Professor Mills time? Remember, look, there was a time when they have brought the resource in, which had indicated a certain number.
No, Musati, they didn't get the results now.
Then, after 2-3, when they saw that they were
results,
so don't sit down and tell me that.
But you have improved to a certain level.
I'm just saying, you said that, that is why you were able to
monitor it, and
you rather we caught somebody one sign pink sheet
now all since I need before
so those things. That's why you asked me whether we have improved. That's what I'm saying. We have improved
better.
We are now monitoring them. That's why I was able to call the election at the time.
Which I did not allow you to call.
I called it. That I see. I gave you so many examples. So I'm saying that in this particular instance, they took their eye off the ball.
Okay.
Where they should have made sure that pensioners in the year buffer stock a copy in general, they should not have invested so much into that. Oh, this year. And they can't put in the sky. All former appointees, chief executives, MPs, one of the MPs.
I never even saw
one of the MPs.
There was
a constituency. Woman, what this kind of man catch the Adom Mama Petruska. Also, a baby agent on Akuffo if you don't do my Petruska. You say, hey, the escape engineer they coin for also Charlie. Other Ojane cat. It's the cat that can Yabankana.
Them no catch you.
The
way they try and put problems on young Akuffo. Chairman, them headline. Yereba abandoned na a cover or down for NHI was over 2 years.
It's not collapsed.
It's never collapsed.
No, it's not collapsed.
17 million subscribers. In the America say,
Chairman,
in the America say, In the America say, wait your arrears, including NDC 2 years arrears. What you want? You have to be training now. Says you 2 months, but no. 2 months. It's not true. Now, any chairman they go get chairman emeritus.
They be like the men from say like the project. Like the hospital.
Yes, starting going, yes, starting. And when you put it, I will see the ultra modern building you are going to put in la. I'm telling you.
After how many years?
Oh, but it takes time. It takes time. Relax. It takes time. It takes time. It takes time. You're about NHIA. 2 years arrears.
Smoke.
Dr. Koboy. You're born Baddo. Dr. Koboy. I have
smoke.
Oh man, and the etnaha. Dr. Koboy na Baddo. Why you say even mental health? And then Akuffo, one Akuffo, what jam on my walk? In the mental health was Rebecca home.
You can get
mental health.
17.2 million.
Was Rebecca home?
But that's quite the matter. This 17.
This is the highest.
When they go, do they get made? Half for card it's confetti. As for card, no confetti. MPs, most of them. That's what they do. You can get the numbers, but the reality on the ground.
This young brilliant guy is doing so much. Say, or you want to
the woman who died in Tema.
Say, 10 cedis. I was to come
and pay 400 cedis. If NHS was working, when this woman went to Tema General Hospital, 400 cedis. The next day, when 400 and Tema General is a government hospital.
Okay,
it's a government hospital. So don't come and give me
Mr. Thomas, a wrap up for
us. One claim payment for NHIA
what?
Was about 150.
What?
Since we're pushing up to 200.
It
tells you that now they are working. When they oh, Mama, what's the rapper? When they Nyama because of the medicine as I water. So people were even hiding it. Because was a but now they've brought the payments up. In there 1-2 years arrears plus and all that. In their choir, it's less than 2 months. We'll pay on time within 45 days. Why you calculation now, bro?
1 week ago, somebody died.
Chairman emeritus.
400.
Chairman emeritus. Chairman emeritus.
400 a week.
In the Yerika say NHIA why ye? In the Yerika say it's a mekachen there on fan paying and casa. There why a president or casa on measure nekasi.
Okay, so on the wings of
he's a former president.
On the wings of the former
president.
On the wings of the former president who is now bringing on board a potential candidate from running mate from Akuffo. In the person of Eric Opoku. And on the wings of it is possible PhD and then GTP. We call it a rap.
It is possible.
It is possible.
It is possible.
It is.
Doctor will make you shine.
Definite.
It is possible.
It is possible.
It is possible. It is Eric Opoku. It is possible. It is Eric Opoku.
And then you agree to that.
It is possible.
No, tell me you agree to that.
It is possible.
It is possible.
You agree to that. It is possible. It's Eric Opoku. No, it is possible.
No, tell me just
so relax.
It's possible that it's going to be Eric Opoku.
So relax.
It is possible. It will be Eric Opoku.
In my world, when it's black, it's black. When it's red, it's red.
Oh, they begin one.
It is possible.
Wait for one finance, one information minister. What's the red?
It is possible. No, anything can happen.
It doesn't mean anything can happen. It is possible. It is possible. Was going from the Bible.
It may be the conference at the area top teacher, but they cook a wow, so that's it. So Sarah, Sarah, the leading team, the by Econo or the Ebitran outreach now. Thank you so much.